How would your online business do if you stepped away for 3 months? Well, I just found out. I flew across the country and spent 80 days helping my elderly mom sell her house and move to Arizona. I didn't create any videos, blog posts, or even have access to a PC. Yet I still saw over $4,600 added to my account. In this video, I'll tell you where the revenue came from and the systems I put in place to keep my business going while I was away. If you're new here, I'm a Harvard graduate who spent much of my career in management positions at Amazon. I retired in my 40s for a slower pace of life, and now I'm just a hobbyist content creator. The $4,600 came in 3 categories. The first is a rental home that brings in $1,850 a month. We spend $100 for property managers to handle the day-to-day operations. The rest of the expenses, including mortgage, comes to around $1,100, leaving us a cash profit of $650 a month. I received 3 rent checks, adding up to $1,950. I absolutely love real estate, and we may buy another house in the next year or so. The second group are my online properties. I own 3 websites and 2 YouTube channels. While I was gone, they earned $1,367 without me logging in, creating content, or even interacting with the people who visited my site. This is a major decline from what I saw in 2023, where I had several months of over $1,000. My sites got absolutely destroyed with the helpful content update. My largest site lost more than 90% of the traffic and revenue. I earned $70 from display ads. I use ezoic as I really like how easy they make their platform. My affiliate earnings were $747, which mainly comes from Amazon and some software I recommend. I also have a sponsorship that paid $550 for content that I'd already created before I flew out. The final group are saving. I'm a firm believer in earning from the money I've already saved. Over the years, I've switched between high yield savings accounts, CDs, and T-bills. I haven't had a job or a paycheck in over a decade, and I really enjoy that extra bit of cash hitting my account each month without me worrying to need about selling stocks and all the tax problems with that. Right now, my top choice is short-term T-bills, and I keep most of my cash in that. If you aren't familiar with T-bills, they're short-term bonds from the government. I normally go for ones that mature in less than a month or 2, so I don't tie my money up for so long. I also stagger the maturity dates, just in case I need the money. The annualized rate for T-bills is 5.24%, meaning that I'll earn $52 per year for each $1,000 I can keep in T-bills. The rate does fluctuate, and this is one of the high rates I've seen most of my life. If I was looking for something easier, I'd go back to a high yield savings account. They're really fantastic. They're earning about 4.6% at the time of this video, just for leaving deposits in the bank. This works out to $46 per year for each $1,000 you leave in the account. For a reference, a basic savings account at Bank of America only pays about 0.1%, meaning that you only get $1 each year for $1,000 in your account instead of the 46 or 52. I realize earning $1,500 a month wouldn't be life-changing for most people, but that's just my passive earning rate. Now that I'm back at my home with time to create content and work on my sites, I can resume adding to my portfolio and make more videos. Thanks for watching today. Hope to see you again.